How to keep your car centered while driving. Want to stay perfectly centered in your lane? Here are some simple visual tips to help you out. Left edge of the car with the line. When the left edge of your car lines up with the lane marking, there's usually around half a meter, 50 centimeters, of space. Left edge of the steering wheel with the line. If the left edge of your steering wheel matches up with the line, your left tire is right on the line. Wiper linkage with the line. When the wiper linkage lines up with the lane marking, your car is about 30 centimeters away from it. Right edge of the steering wheel with the line. If the right edge of your steering wheel aligns with the line, your right tire sits exactly on it. Wiper linkage with the curb. When the wiper linkage lines up with the curb, your car is roughly 30 centimeters away from the curb. A perfect distance for safe parking or lane positioning.